Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcade, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another topic on LibreOffice Calc C, and today I will discuss a special operation on LibreOffice Calc C. One is VLOOKUP and another is HLOOKUP. So go to the computer screen. Through LibreOffice Calc C, I will discuss these two operations with proper example step by step. So let's dive in. Hello friends, I am just within the LibreOffice Calc C application, and here I will discuss two important operations which is used in LibreOffice Calc C. One is VLOOKUP and that is HLOOKUP. So we are given a table here where the table contains some employee ID, first name, last name, date of birth, email ID and department, and it contains lots of data like E01, Arjun, Jain, some date of birth is given, some email ID is given, and the department is also given. Now what happens, using VLOOKUP function we retrieve some of the field or some of the important information for each and every employee ID, or we can choose any employee ID from the given table. So for an example, here the employee ID or EMP ID whose E04, what is the email address, we find out using VLOOKUP, and the employee ID E06, what is the date of birth. So how we can find out from this table using VLOOKUP? So in that case we select the particular cell where we want to find out the email ID for particular EMP ID E04. So just write equal and then just write VLOOKUP function and send the argument. At first we choose the EMP ID, this cell, then put comma, and then took the total range with value starting from E01 to the department cells. Okay, then put comma, then we find out the email and what is the column number. This is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So just write 5 and then put comma and then put 0. Why? Because for we want the exact match for particular case, what is the exact email ID for that particular EMP ID. Okay, so we find out the exact match for the email ID for the EMP ID whose whatever is given into there. Okay, so E04 here. So just close this bracket and press enter. So we got E04, what is the email address? p1234q@gmail.com. So we got this from there. Same way, if you find out the date of birth or DOB for the EMP ID E06, then again write equal VLOOKUP. Just open the first bracket, choose the EMP ID cell E06, it is F19, then put comma, then choose total range from EMP ID E01 to department last cells, then put comma, then find out what is the column number for DOB. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is a 4 column, contain the DOB, and then put 0 for exact match, and then close the first bracket, then press enter. So you got the date of birth for E06 is 10/10/1987. I hope you have understood how to use VLOOKUP function in LibreOffice Calc C. Okay, now go to the another operation for HLOOKUP, right? So now this is the example for HLOOKUP, and here some periodic table I am using here for this operation. So some element is given, helium, lithium, boron, carbon, like that. Its symbol is given, some atomic number is given, and relative atomic mass is also given. Same way we find out the element lithium, what is the symbol? We already know the symbol is Li. So we are find out using HLOOKUP function. And same way the element oxygen, what is the atomic number? So oxygen atomic number is 8. So how we can find out using HLOOKUP? So just see what we can write. So same way, write equal HLOOKUP, open the bracket, then choose this lithium, this particular cell position, then put comma, then choose the total range from helium to last relative atomic mass for 20.18 for neon, then put comma, then choose what is the symbol particular row number 1 2, so just write 2 here, then put comma, then put 0 for exact match. Same way for the VLOOKUP is concerned, then close the bracket, press enter. So you got the Li, so lithium symbol is Li. Okay, so same way if we find out the oxygen, what is the atomic number, so then we find out in that way equal H lookup, open the bracket, then choose oxygen, this cell number, put comma, then choose the total range from helium to 20.18, the last relative atomic mass for this periodic table is concerned, then put comma. Now atomic number, what is the row number? 1 2 3, so put 3 here, then put comma, then again press 0 for exact match, close the first bracket, press enter. So you got 8. Why? Because oxygen, the atomic number is 8. So in that way we can find out any table field value using HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP function using LibreOffice Calc. I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is very simple. We are using VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP function using LibreOffice Calc application. If you have some doubts, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more upcoming new videos. Keep watching Technical Arcane and stay with us. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.